how to set up and use Google Pay. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will guide you through the process and steps of how you can set up and use Google Pay if you live in the US, India or Singapore. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, just make sure that you have downloaded the Google Pay application from your respective app store, and then once you've done that, I'm just going to go over and then open it up. So you can see the very first thing that it's going to ask me is to simply select my region. So in this case I'll just select United States. If you live in India or Singapore, you can select that respectively, and then just tap on the continue button from the bottom of the screen. Once you've done that, the Google Pay app is going to automatically identify your Google account. So make sure that your Google account is correct. If you want to set up with another Google account, you can just select that another Google account in this case if you've not set it up, and then after that just tap on the continue button. The next step it will require you to is to simply enter your phone number. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my phone number as well. So once you enter your phone number, make sure that you have access to this number because it is going to send a code to it, and then just tap on the continue button. So it'll ask me to confirm my number, so we're going to wait until we receive the number, and once we confirm our OTP code, just enter them over here and then your Google Pay account will be successfully created. Now it will walk us through the other steps, so just tap on the next on the privacy settings option. It'll ask you to simply let your friends find you or not, but I'll just select not now for now. If you want to link with your contacts, you can do that, and again I'll select not now because I can go through all this process later on in the settings, right? I don't want to waste my time over here, and I'll just tap on the not now button again. So once I've done that, you can see we have successfully set up our Google Pay, and now our Google Pay is ready to use. Now you can set up your money, you can set up your card, you can view offers, you can track your spending, you can add an account or whatever else you prefer. And this is how you can set up and use Google Pay. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.